What's going on, guys? We're gonna be talking about this right here for a split second. It's gonna be a short video, honestly. I'm not gonna spend a whole lot of time on this just because it just needs to be said, because evidently these aren't being sold anymore. I don't think they are. This is the Turtle Beach Stealth stereo adapter I've talked about in so many of my videos when it comes to USB mic on Xbox and all that. I've been seeing comments about, no, this is not for sale. What do I do? Can I use the other one? Can I use any of the cheaper ones? And I've always seen comments about the cheaper ones, and I've always heard they work. I've never used one myself, but I decided to go buy one because I did check on this and it hasn't been sold for a little while now, and you can't even buy it. So I don't know if Turtle Beach is just not making it anymore, which is kind of crazy to be honest with you, because I know for me anyways, I get a lot of clicks and a lot of sells with these. So it's just kind of weird that they don't want to keep selling this, because it sells like crazy. Unless they're coming out with a new one, maybe they're coming out with a controller that can do this and you don't even need this anymore. That would be pretty cool. But I can tell you the Turtle Beach Stealth controller doesn't work like that, so I don't know. Anyhow, what's the differences between these two things? Let's talk about it real quick. This has so many more features than this one does. It's as simple as this. This one was like $45 or something like that, the Turtle Beach, and this one is like $25 on Amazon. This is one of the cheaper ones I could find. This does not have, so the Turtle Beach adapter has like superhuman mode and all those different modes that, you know, if you want to get into and all that, and it's got all kind of mic presets and everything else on it. This doesn't have any of that. This is just like you plug and play. You get your volume control, you can change your game and chat volume, which is nice. You have a mute button that turns, a little orange light comes on when you mute it. And this one has mic monitoring with it. This one doesn't. It's like you don't get mic monitoring. So if you're a mic monitoring person and you want to hear yourself talk, you're not even gonna be able to use this one because it doesn't work. I've tried it. I hit a bunch of different buttons, try to do the cross everything, and this doesn't work. Yeah, I mean, honestly, those are the differences. Like I said, it's not gonna be a short video. Now, I do want to hit a couple points real quick about games and stuff. I went in and tested, because I was hearing people saying they couldn't play Call of Duty. They weren't able to talk to people in game chat, and they weren't able to play Fortnite. I've been getting so many comments about that on my channel, and I don't have that issue. Like, I literally used this mic right here, plugged it up to the controller, and with the cables and stuff, I was in Call of Duty talking to somebody through an entire game. And then I went into Fortnite, and even though they didn't talk a whole lot, I ignored them enough to where they actually said, yes, we hear you, shut up. So it works. I don't have that issue. So I don't know if it's a setting issue for you or something like that. If you're not having issues, comment below so people can also see that I'm not lying, because I'm not. It works for me, no problem when I use it. It has to be user error. There's really no other thing I can say at this point. But in any case, if you want to find the new adapter that's $25 that is confirmed to work and stuff, you can check that out in my description below, maybe the first comment or something like that. If these ever go back on sale, or if I hear something for Turtle Beach, because I'm really thinking about just reaching out to them and asking them myself, I'll let you know about that as well. And well, if you want to check out some more videos, if you want to learn how to use a USB mic on the Xbox, you can check that video out here. And if you want to watch another video over here, watch it here. Like, subscribe, and all that bull crap. And I'll see you guys next time. As always, peace and love.